You're scrolling through your phone. A DM pops up from a stranger. Maybe they accidentally messaged you. Or maybe you're in a private investing group. They're buzzing about a tiny, unknown company, a penny stock with a secret technology, or a guaranteed, huge contract about to be announced. They say it's about to go to the moon. You have to act now. It feels exciting, like you're in on a secret the big Wall Street firms don't want you to know. What you've actually just encountered is one of the oldest, most destructive traps in finance, now supercharged for the digital age. Welcome to the Microcap Brief. Today, we're dissecting the anatomy of a pump and dump. The blueprint for this scam was perfected in the 1990s by firms like Stratton Oakmont, immortalized in the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. Back then, it was a boiler room of brokers making thousands of cold calls, using high-pressure sales tactics to push worthless penny stocks. The core of the scam hasn't changed. It's a brutal game of psychological manipulation, preying on greed and the fear of missing out, FOMO. But the tools have evolved. The boiler room has been replaced by your smartphone. According to a joint alert from the SEC and FINRA, fraudsters now use social media bots, private Discord groups, and even AI-generated deepfakes and fake news sites to create a powerful, convincing narrative. It's the same old scam, just with a new digital mask. Every pump and dump follows the same 4-phase cycle. Phase 1, accumulation. Fraudsters quietly buy a massive amount of a dirt-cheap, thinly traded penny stock, often on the over-the-counter or OTC markets. By controlling most of the available shares, they effectively control the market. Phase 2, the pump. This is the manipulation. They launch a coordinated hype campaign across platforms like X, TikTok, and Discord. They create a story, like this unknown company has a revolutionary battery tech, or a major deal drops next week. They use fake accounts to create buzz, making it look like a groundswell of organic excitement. Their goal is to create a buying frenzy. Phase 3, the dump. This is the betrayal. Once the hype has drawn in a flood of retail buyers and the price has been artificially inflated, the original fraudsters sell all of their shares. They are selling into the very demand they created. Phase 4, the aftermath. The massive sell-off causes the stock to collapse, often in minutes. The retail investors who bought at the peak are left holding worthless shares with no one to sell to. They become what's known as bag holders. The fraudsters vanish with the profits. And this isn't some rare theoretical problem. In December 2022, the SEC charged 8 social media influencers for running a $100 million pump and dump scheme. Using their Twitter and Discord followings, they posed as successful traders promoting stocks they were secretly about to dump. Their followers were the exit liquidity, left with massive losses. So, how do you protect yourself? You become a financial detective. Here is your checklist based directly from warnings from regulators like FINRA. Red flag number 1, the unsolicited, accidental tip. A stranger DMing you a guaranteed winner is a scam. Period. Do not engage. Red flag number 2, the too good to be true story. Look for the proof. If the promotion is all hype about secret tech with no real financial data in official SEC filings to back it up, run. Red flag number 3, extreme urgency. Buy now before it's too late is a tactic to trigger FOMO and stop you from thinking critically. Red flag number 4, the ghost company. The stock is always one you've never heard of, trading on the OTC markets, often with no real revenue, a history of name changes, and a shady-looking website. Your key takeaway is this. In the age of digital manipulation, your best defense is your own due diligence. The real money isn't made by chasing a hype train orchestrated by a stranger. It's made by understanding the business. If a story seems too good to be true, it always is. Thank you for listening to the Microcap Brief. Do your own research and invest wisely.